Agador barliur ke JHADC, ke wacisngi hewa OMDC ke Kongres UMB rembai da keliu kat ngut kiwa kreh ke JHADC, hajrong ini UCM da jubab OM, kat wispa sopakunde ngut kiwa kreh ke JHADC. Niliang rembai da keliu kat poi ke tulop wadasu yaki, hewa UCM da ongu wadasu, pra kelur supausan lak san pakunde hajan rospa nya pakunde ke tulop, cakiwa kreh de langki MDC kamjuk ke baibam temen namo ke pension ha ke bnai. Cucu urembai da keliu le kat teli ke bid office ke forest department ke JHADC hewa UEM ke cenat UH nong tedu da jubabu wa emle teli. Kini kentup ki ya karata cera mo kundur wa karampani wa ya kini da iwai cagi brusemen wa dau bicar la da ye ke council upelai da kahi.
I come to the question and reply. What is the total extent of the technology in the body today? Answer by Honorable CM, the representative of the next slide. May I know that first supplementary question, how much the total salary of the council employee is living with the member with the pensioner of the council per month? Approximately, not exactly.
The total expenditure for salary of all the MDCs, FMCs, officers, staff, and pensioners, and including family pension, the exact expenditure is rupees 8 crore 45 lakhs 59,679.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I thank you, Honorable CM. Reply the answer is I think all of us, we are satisfied. Then, the next supplementary question. You have the intention that for clearing the pending salary of the hospital. Yes, next question. How many months of the pending salary of the council employee, including member of the council and pensionary pay? Then 7 months. The whole that will be the last step, and then for the newly elected member is 3 months. Just one supplementary question. In this question number 2, may I know what is the GDP of the council revenue per budget? That is approximately, not exactly, the GDP of the council. That is the full form, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. Kecil lagi orang sebagai kawan baru bisa have a budget to that. You are one of the veteran CM in this council. You continue nearly 7 years. You know, I think very clear what is the gross domestic product per budget in the work of council collected.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I think itu already gross domestic collection untuk kreh. Dengan ingat kreh ada revenue collection under each head of the council di kita memang UK. Lalu betul dari gross domestic collection dan kita perlukan uang yang
I don't mind, Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir. More than 7 years we are rock position. you should be study carefully, no? Nobody we cannot make we cannot accept. You have to say no. Yes, under process. Yes, I still under process to mother like that. Not the way to say no. Not yet. Ketemuan sampai yang itu wabing, mutapar ada mikir collection revenue, teman lagi dengan teknologi kami, GDP, gross domestic product. Compare it man dan budget yang memang exactly on the rumah approximately compare. I asked the executive committee of the day will work hard and take necessary steps and make it hard working and will be run the administration in the smooth functioning. Let this time will be coming up for restoration of the machinery of the council in a very smooth for the best in the near future. Dan dengan nama ngalih saya cuba ini tak next question. How many number of field office operated? Field office, atau penibik office. Ya, Master Teacher Man, sir, may I know this bid office 3 number is operated by the official of the council or either privatized to some businessman?
Ya, ini dari Oksus sa Kibusmet.
One more supplementary question. Honorable E.M. for us, you have the intention to review what the executive committee decided to privatize or throw to the non-official. You have the intention to recover or review, will be inspect or will be operated by the official of the council or no? You have the intention?
Ustaz itu siapa Ustaz? Haji itu lagi yang eksekutif komite yang berjaya sendiri. DM bersama bahwa kadang memang aktif dengan bahwa kaji eksekutif yang berkausul pada eksekutif komite.
Motorlah di bukan yang diukur dari official yang